The pain points are basically you have a lot of data that is difficult to analyze. So we were looking for a tool that will help us integrate this data, analyze it, and display it in an easy way. We found that the QualityLine tool is very easy. It's a web-based. It gives us all what we need. The tool is giving us an eye into the site at the supplier, at GE, at our platforms to help us always to improve our productivity. The biggest return on investment with the tool is how we can utilize this data that we are capturing it internally and transforming this data into actions in terms of improving our and optimizing our processes, our assembly processes, our test solutions. If we can do that, then our return on investment will be amazing. The integration process has been seamless, and this is the beauty of QualityLine. And in fact, this is the truth. I really like the fact that whatever data we had that we have been capturing for the past 10, 12 years, all in a SQL database that has been moved on to the QualityLine platform seamlessly. In less than 10 days, we were able to look into our data, and on a dashboard, on a web-based. I truly, applaud the capability of converting whatever platform you have into the platform of QualityLine, and that is a great asset in my opinion, and it is just easy for everybody to use it. Any new product introductions, protection control systems that we will have them going to the line to be tested, I think we can capture that data and feed it back to the design group in terms of calibration, in terms of deviations in the data, statistical deviation, any CPKs that we can, or deviations that we can measure out of the data, we can pass it on to the technology team, and they can look at it, and they can either modify their design, enhance their design, optimize their design, whatever. But it is a tool that can be used between manufacturing and the R&D group. The whole world is in lockdown and shutdown, we call it whatever. There are lots of people that are working from home. There's a lot of quality engineers working from home, and test engineers are working from home. So having a tool that is web-based, you can access it from home as well, and you can look at the data from home as well. So I love the fact that it is a web-based dashboard that gives you a comprehensive look into whether it's the supplier or whether at the GE sites globally. The service and the support has been outstanding. I testify to that personally. Whenever I had hiccups with the tool, I would send an email and they get resolved right away. Even different sites have testified the same. Great support, great solutions. All what you need is to open a ticket, the ticket looked at, the next day it gets resolved.